How's it going, guys? My name is Dom, and just a quick video today on the for attribute inside HTML. So basically the for attribute allows you to link your labels with your input fields. So that way, when you press on a label, it's going to bring your input field into focus. So for example, here we have a form with a label and an input field. So let's add the for attribute to the label and see what happens. So inside the HTML for this document, it looks like this. We have the form and the label and the input field. So let's add the for attribute to the label element. So inside here, we're going to say for is equal to, and then put username inside here. So we're saying we've got a label which is for the username. So the actual username, this needs to be linked to the input field somehow. So to actually link these two, we have this username text. So let's add the ID property to the input field, and we can say username inside here. So the for attribute looks for the ID on this input field, which matches whatever's inside the for attribute. So for username, ID is username. So now if I was to save this and refresh the browser, then click on the username label, this becomes in focus. So that is the main use of the for attribute. A common mistake I found is using the name property over the ID property. So we're saying username here and saying name as being username, not the ID. So saving this and refreshing does not work. So if I press on this one, nothing happens. So make sure you use the ID property for that right there. Alright, and that is the for attribute inside HTML. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.